Lordstown Motors has announced that the first 500 units of its Endurance full-size battery electric pickup truck have rolled off the production line and are being routed to fleet customers for initial deliveries. The company says the production volume at its Ohio Foxconn plant will ramp up over the coming year as it works out supply chain constraints. Lordstown has also reported receipt of both EPA and CARB certifications for the Endurance pickup. Edward Hightower, Lordstown CEO and President, stated, "I am very proud of the Lordstown Motors and Foxconn EV Ohio team for their hard work, grit, and tenacity in achieving this milestone. We are very excited to start delivering vehicles to our commercial fleet customers." The company has also announced that the Endurance pickup truck has been named as a finalist in the North American Truck of the Year competition. The winner of the competition will be announced in January. Lordstown Motors is an electric vehicle original equipment manufacturer, developing innovative light-duty commercial fleet vehicles, with the Endurance all-electric pickup truck as its first vehicle and being launched in the Foxconn EV plant in Lordstown, Ohio. Shares of Lordstown Motors trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol RIDE. For more information, visit greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.